In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the Facebook post. In order to find how I made the entire Facebook design system, you will find more videos on the channel. So let's go ahead and do our Facebook post, one of the most important elements in the Facebook design system. So this is the design annotations, section/post, feed post, a versatile card-based container used to display user-generated content in the newsfeed. The component is structurally divided into 3 subparts: the header, the media, and the footer. And of course, this is what it's going to look like. The top section is the list item. We're going to get it, and we're going to add one more icon to the right so that we can have two. Right now, the design is just one. We're going to add a text box over here. We're going to add the thing that we designed before, the media section, and we're going to design the bottom part as well. So something that is very well designed and it's going to be nice and easy. So let's get the list item, get it from here. And we're going to have two icons like this, and we are going to have a bigger avatar. So let's make it MD. It's going to have a border. So feature border like so. And let's make this BBC News. And this is 3D. In order to get this dot, we're going to have to click on the windows and then dot in order to get the icons and emojis. And we're going to go to this bar and we're going to click on the dot like so. And let's get the globe as well. Globe. There we go. Let's get the 3 dots. So we're going to swap with the dots. And here we're going to swap with the X, close, like so. We can make this top aligned, like so. And here we can change the colors of these to icon, placeholder. So far, so good. Now, let's make the text. So T, the airline has updated its workwear for the first time in 20 years. So something like this. Let's put it here for now. Next, let's get the news or the underscore post, media post, the thing that we designed before. So the link like so. And we're gonna get, so we can make these two into the top section. It has a gap of 8, like so. This is the header. Let's make the footer. So we're gonna get a button, like so. Let's remove the icons. Let's remove the icon right. And we're gonna change the text to like. And this is gonna be the thumbs up, like so. We're gonna change the color to icon, placeholder, and the color of this as well to, I think we can also change the whole thing to color neutral ghost. So it looks like that. Let's change the color of the text to text, placeholder, and great. We can also remove the corner radius if we want. So it's going to be 0. Let's put 3 next to each other. And this is going to be comment. This is going to be share. Let's replace this with the share logo icon. And let's replace this with the comment, like so. Let's make these into an auto layout. And the gap is 0. Good. Let's make the next section. So the next section, we're gonna get an icon or a thumbs up. So we're gonna get this from the Facebook emojis. I'm gonna make it 24 by 24, or maybe even 20 by 20. Like so. Put it over here. So let's add some text here. This is gonna be 9.7K. This is gonna be text SM regular. And the color is going to be text placeholder. Let's make them into an auto layout, like so. Let's get this text. Let's put it over here. 1.1K comments. And right next to it, 2, 3, 4 shares. So far, so good. Let's make these into an auto layout. A gap of, let's say, 8. And these auto layout as well. Shift A. And looks great. Let's make all of these into, so this is the header. This is going to be the footer. Shift A. Footer. We can make this fill container. And this is also fill. Good. Let's make all of these into the card. Shift A. Let's add a gap of 0 between them. See how they look. Here, let's add a gap of 0 as well. So let's add some margin here. The margin is 8 by 12. Okay. The rest is fine. The rest is fine. So let's add a border as well. So here, we're going to add a border bottom, stroke, border, placeholder, 0.5 width, and it's going to be at the bottom. And looks fine. Here as well, we're going to add another border. So stroke, border, placeholder, bottom, like so. And for this entire auto layout, this is going to be our post. Here, this is going to be, we're going to take this. We're going to make this into a component. This is the underscore header. Let's delete this. Put the instance instead. This is fine. This is also going to do the same. Let's make this the component. Underscore footer. And delete this. Put the instance instead. And let's make this fill S1. Let's change the color here, especially here. This is going to be text default. And the gap can be 0. Here we're gonna reduce the gap here to maybe 4. And here we're gonna make the stroke outside to make it more visible. And 0.5, like so. So it looks okay. And we can push these updates to the main component. Let's make this into a component. Let's add some settings. So sometimes we want the text, sometimes we don't. We can apply it from the header. So here we're gonna make this appear and disappear. Text. And we can bring this to the main component. Properties, nested instances, and the header. Like so. Is there anything else we want? Maybe sometimes this can appear and disappear as well. So we can go to the main component and then double click on this, appear and disappear. This is the reaction section, like so. Now I'm able to make it appear or disappear, and I can go and apply it also in the properties section. Let's go ahead and put all this in the feed post. Let's make sure it's working well and make sure it's responsive. If I increase it, the bottom part increases, but the top part, this means that we should make this into a fill container. So here, these are going to be fill. This is also fill container. And it's going to be hug. And okay, let's see if this updates. This is going to be fill. We're going to go to the text and we're going to make a margin left and right. It makes it into an auto layout. Margin left and right of 8. So we fixed the top section. It's time to fix this section as well. Let's go to the main component. Let's double click here and make this fill container. Let's make this fill as well. Let's go to the other one. And it is responsive and it looks great. Now, for more videos about the Facebook design system, you will find more free videos in the channel. Or if you would like to take the Facebook design system course, you will find the link in the description.